Ever thought about piecing together a massive jigsaw puzzle in just 40 months? Dive into the story of the Zalm Haven Tower in Rotterdam, the highest residential peak in the Benelux, and discover the magic of prefab construction. But before our ascent, let's break ground on why prefab is the buzzword in modern construction. Architect, Dam and Partners. Architekten, the creative minds behind the Zalm Haven project, have left an indelible mark on Rotterdam's skyline. Led by their visionary approach, they crafted a remarkable 215-meter residential tower that redefines the city's architectural landscape. The architect's design is both striking and functional. With 295 apartments and a parking garage housed within, they've married form with purpose. What's truly commendable is their innovative use of prefabricated concrete elements, a construction method that expedited the project's completion. Elevators, numbering 11 in total, were strategically installed in growing lift shafts, showcasing their meticulous planning. Dam and Partners' contribution extends beyond design. They championed safety with a unique signal transmission system for lift cars. Contractor, Bambau and Technique. The contractor behind the Zalm Haven project exemplifies precision and reliability. With 500 dedicated workers, they embarked on a 40-month construction journey to bring this monumental residential tower to life. Their role extended far beyond bricks and mortar, encompassing the orchestration of a massive ventilation system and the assembly of prefabricated components. This reputable contractor adeptly managed a $200 million budget, ensuring efficient resource allocation. Their expertise shines through in the tower's impeccable construction and commitment to sustainability, reducing both CO2 emissions and traffic load. Bambau and Technique's integral role in shaping Rotterdam's skyline underscores their prowess in the construction industry. Cost, number of workers and construction period. The workforce behind the Zalm Haven was equally remarkable, comprising a dedicated team of 500 individuals. Their collective efforts brought this vision to life, from architects and engineers to skilled laborers. The workforce's size reflects the complexity of the project, as building a 215-meter residential tower is no small feat. Their skill, expertise, and hard work were instrumental in ensuring the project's timely completion. Over the course of 40 months, the Zalm Haven project transformed from a blueprint to a towering reality. This construction period, spanning over 3 years, demonstrates the commitment to precision and quality. It allowed for meticulous attention to detail, from the installation of prefabricated components to the implementation of sustainable design features. Construction and features. The construction and features of the Zalm Haven project are a testament to innovative design and meticulous planning. The utilization of prefabricated components was a game changer, streamlining construction and reducing on-site labor. When they were building the Zalmhaven Toren in Rotterdam, they faced an interesting challenge. You see, before they started this new construction, there was an old building there, and they left some of the old columns in the ground. Instead of removing them, they decided to use these old columns along with new ones to make the new building strong. To do this, they had to be very clever. They used 3D models to figure out exactly where to put the new columns around the old ones. Now, the ground in that area is a bit special because it's kind of soft and close to a river. So they chose a special kind of pile called auger cast piles to avoid making too much noise during construction. These piles go deep into the ground to make the building stable, especially the tall part of the tower, which needed piles that went down 65 meters. So, in simple terms, they reused some old columns and added new ones in a smart way to build a strong tower, and they used special piles to make sure it stays steady. Since there wasn't much space left underground, they decided to put the heat and cold storage in different layers underground, like stacking them up, to make the best use of the limited space. Within this facility, they utilize large molds into which concrete is poured. After the pouring, essential components such as windows, electrical cables, and outlets are integrated directly into these concrete sections. This method streamlines the fabrication process, ensuring that every piece is crafted with precision and that any potential for errors is minimized. To elaborate on the fabrication process in the factory, each mold is meticulously prepared and checked to ensure uniformity across all facade elements. This methodology not only accelerates the construction process, but also guarantees a seamless integration of the prefabricated elements into the building structure. The Zalmhaven Tower in Rotterdam is a really tall residential building, the tallest in the Benelux, standing at 215 meters. It's surrounded by two smaller residential buildings that are 70 meters tall. What makes this construction special is the hoisting shed technique they're using. Now, the hoisting shed is like a fancy, fully equipped construction site that moves upwards as each floor of the building is finished. Inside this shed, different experts work together at the same time to build the tower. This clever way of working makes the construction safe, efficient, and really fast. But you need to be super careful and plan everything perfectly when using the hoisting shed technique. Owner and maintenance cost. The owner of the Zalm Haven residential tower in Rotterdam, Netherlands, is Amvest. Amvest is a Dutch real estate investment manager that specializes in residential, commercial, and mixed-use properties. The company has a portfolio of over 10 billion in assets under management. Ownership and maintenance are key facets of the Zalm Haven project's success. The ownership rests with Amvest. He shared the vision of creating an architectural marvel in Rotterdam. Their collaboration and financial commitment of $200 million exemplify their dedication to elevating the city's skyline. Maintenance plays a pivotal role in preserving the tower's splendor. With an annual budget of $1 million, this commitment to upkeep ensures that the Zalm Haven remains a symbol of excellence in the long run. It covers essential tasks such as routine inspections, repairs, and the maintenance of its sustainable features. Cultural and historical significance. The Zalm Haven project boasts cultural and historical significance that extends far beyond its impressive height and architectural prowess. As the tallest residential tower in the Benelux, it stands as a symbol of progress and ambition, both for Rotterdam and the broader region. Its status as the tallest residential tower in the Benelux is a remarkable achievement. This feat not only sets a new standard for modern urban living, but also symbolizes the city's determination to reach new heights, quite literally. The tower pierces the skyline, a visual testament to Rotterdam's willingness to embrace innovation and break traditional boundaries. It stands as a symbol of modern construction that pushes boundaries and sets new industry standards. Thought this structure was mega. Then help us build our like count. Dive deeper into the world of construction marvels by subscribing to Mega Structures Unveiled. Thanks for elevating your knowledge with us today.